What is somatic shadow work? Well, this is a bringing together of somatic therapy with psychotherapy, giving you body oriented psychotherapy. And this work is really just opening the body so it can experience a harmonious flow of energy. Because what happens over time is the body actually becomes dense and materialized based off of any life event that you've had where you've had to kind of refrain from expressing what you innately would in that moment, where you've had to pull back and censor yourself or store emotions or any experience of wanting to act, but then having to pull back, withdraw, and actually alter the direction of what the true experience would be. So, somatic shadow work, the focus on this is to really allow your body to release those repressed emotions and allow those to cross the threshold to be experienced as feelings. And the moment that the body experiences these felt sensations, then your psyche actually expands its limitation. It changes the story. So it is ingesting new information based off of that felt experience, the new felt experience that you had, because you had to deny what you felt at that time. But now through somatic shadow work, you are addressing what that really was. So you're working with the felt sensations and you're altering the story and the image, the ego pattern that once was. So through the process, your body is actually alleviating different energies, and it's bringing to light something that is new. So you're not playing out, an old story anymore. And your experience, because the body is truly just, I say just, no. The body is our lived experience. It is a representation of our lived experience. So as it alleviates that density, then you're actually feeling lighter. Your body isn't holding on to the stagnancy anymore, and you feel more fluid. You feel confident living in your body. And all this open space allows for new energy to just pour into your vessel. And you have this creative, spontaneous existence living through you. So that's just an overview, a very brief overview of what somatic shadow work is. Now, I will leave you with this. Somatic shadow work allows you to build resilience in the body by teaching you how to balance your nervous system based off of these felt sensations that you will get familiar with. It gives you confidence living in your body, and it allows you to be in harmony with your inner world and your outer world. So I just invite you to explore this idea a bit more. Follow me over on Instagram and connect with me. This is the work I do with my clients. And see what this can do for you. See how you can learn to love your body in such a different way, because you know that this is the container which allows the psychological transformation to happen. And how could you expand as an individual if you were to feel so confident living in this vessel? I leave that up to you. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video.